Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this message text pop-up effect in KineMaster. So first you can just open the KineMaster apps on your phone and then open the videos that you want to edit. Here, let's say I want to edit this one right here. Okay, so after you add the main video, you can just add the layer or the text message that you already screenshot. So I've already done it and I've already removed the background. So you can just tap on layer and go to media and choose the text messages. Adjust the duration so that it fits with the videos, and here I'm going to put it in here. You can enlarge it if you want to. Okay, like this for example. And now you can just add another overlay. Choose handwriting in here and adjust the durations. So here I'm going to click on this and choose the rectangle one. You can change the color to how you like it. So let's say I'm going to just use the blue color in here. Okay, you can adjust the size to how you like it. Sorry, let's redo it. Don't forget to move the playhead at the beginning. And here I'm choosing the rectangle. You can just go like this to cover the text and adjust the duration to match with the video again. Now drag it so that the first text show up, and now you can just split it. You can click on it and then click on trim or split and split like this. Okay, you can move forward again and drag down the handwriting overlay. Click on split again, move forward again, and then here I'm going to just scroll down again like this. Sorry, click on split again, and here I'm going to go just like this. Okay, now I'm going to trim the front a little bit like this. You can preview it first, just play it to see how it look like. And now what you need to do is just export this first. So click on this arrow up and tap on save as video. Just wait until it's done. Okay, so once the exporting process is done, you can open a new project and start with adding the original videos without the text messages again and add it into the timeline. And now you can just close this first and add overlay again. So click on layer and media, choose the one with the text messages. Okay, this one's right here. You can adjust the size so that it fits with the background. Okay, after it fits like this, what you need to do is click on the overlay and go to the chroma key. So click on the overlay and find the chroma key, this one, and enable it first. And here you can adjust the intensity. Okay, like this. I think the size is not fit. Okay, after the chroma key has been removed, you can preview the result again to see how it looked like, the pop-up text messages, and here it is. Now you can just add a sound effects to it. So you can click on audio in here and find sound effects, and just find the uh, phone. Let's just find message. Okay, there's no such thing as that. Let's just find it in here. Let's try this pop. Okay, I'm going to just use this one right here, and now you can just adjust the so that it show or it show up when the text messages appear. Okay, you can just copy it to the next messages. You can just duplicate it and drag it like this. Just repeat the steps until all of the messages come with the text, with the sound effects. So that's basically it. That's how you can make a message pop-up effect in KineMaster. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.